Good morning, students. Welcome to the Ajab Gajab Vigyan summer camp organized by Maharana Pratap Public School, Kurukshetra. In this video, I will show you some activities to explain the concepts of science. The first activity is water density experiment with lemon. Here we need 2 glasses filled with tap water, 2 lemons and salt. First, take 1 lemon and put it into the glass of water. See what happens. Here we can see that lemon sinks in a water. Now, into the another glass of water, add some salt and dissolve it completely to obtain the salt solution. Now, we will put another lemon into it. See what happens next. Here we can see that this lemon does not sink in the water, but it floats in the water. This happens because the density of the lemon is less than the density of the salt solution water. So, it floats in it. But on the other hand, density of the lemon in tap water is higher than the water. So, it sinks. This is the reason why one lemon float and other sinks in the water of different properties. So from this experiment we learnt that object which has less density than water floats in it, while the other object whose density is higher than water sinks in it. The second activity is magical color change. Here we need a glass of water, vinegar, soap solution and turmeric. First, in a glass of water, add some turmeric and stir it nicely. A yellow color solution is ready. Now, we will add soap solution to the yellow solution. Watch carefully what is happening. We will see the solution is becoming red. Now, add vinegar into this red color solution and observe the solution carefully. Now you will see that again the color of the solution is becoming yellow. So why this happen? What will be the reason behind this? Turmeric is natural indicator which gives yellow color in acidic solution and gives red color in the basic solution. So in our experiment, the soap solution is basic in nature. So on adding soap solution to turmeric solution, it produced red color. After that, when vinegar was added, which is acidic in nature and makes the solution acidic, the color of the solution disappear and changes it into yellow color. The third activity is the coin drop. In this activity, we need a glass, cardboard piece and a coin. First, place a piece of cardboard on a glass. Now place a coin on the top of the card. Using your finger, flick the card away from the glass. What happens to the coin? The coin falls into the cup. Why this happens? This happens because the force is applied on the cardboard and it moves, but the coin on the cardboard remain in the state of rest and falls down into the glass. Hence, from this activity we learnt that an object at rest will remain at rest, or an object in motion will remain in motion unless an external force is applied to it. And this is our first law of motion, that is law of inertia. Fourth activity is fire resistant water balloon. In this activity we need a couple of balloons, candle and matchstick. First we inflate the one balloon with air only and inflate the another balloon having some water in it. Now bring the first balloon in which air is filled near to the flame of candle and watch what happens. The balloon bursts as it come in contact with the flame of candle. Now bring the another balloon in which water is present and bring this balloon above the candle flame. Observe what is happening. The balloon does not burst and its surface is becoming black due to deposition of carbon. Why this happens? This happens because the balloon in which water is present, when placed above the burning candle, the heat from the candle flames is absorbed by the water inside the balloon and prevent the balloon from bursting. Whereas when another balloon in which only air is present, when bring above the candle, gets heated quickly and bursts. Fifth activity is Newton's disk. For this activity we need paper cut in circular shape, divider or anything to make hole, bottle cap, Vibgyor colors, empty refill or nails. The first step is take the paper in the shape of circle. With the help of pencil, draw the 7 section on it. Now color each of these sections in the sequence of Vibgyor, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and it will become our colored disc. The next step is make a hole in the bottle cap center with the help of hot divider. Now make the hole in the center of the colored disc with the help of nail and fit it into the bottle cap center. It will become like a top. Now rotate it. When disc is rotated, all the 7 color mix up and blend to white color. This shows that white light is made up of 7 color, and this was first told by Sir Isaac Newton. Hence, this is called as Newton's disk. Dear students, perform such activities at your home and make videos with explanation. Thank you, student.